Raindrops like the seconds on the clock, waiting for your key to turn inside the lock. The sky is bruised, a heavy shade of blue. Everything in this room reminds me of you. I'm tracing circles on the foggy window pane, while the clouds outside are whispering your name. And the thunder's rolling in the distance, fighting all my heart's resistance. Caught up in the rhythm of the storm, just wishing I was wrapped inside your arms. Just the rain on the skylight, echo in my heart, telling me the story of how we fell apart. Complex rhythms in the middle of the night, waiting for the morning to bring back the light. It's just the rain. They say the water's supposed to wash away the pain, but I'm still standing here soaked inside the grain of every memory of every word we spoke. The silence in this house is a heavy cloak. I turn the music up to drown the sound out, but the rhythm's only highlighting the down. The pitter-patter of the tears, the echoes of the wasted years. I'm drowning in the sound of us. Just the